Hi everyone, my name is Alex Wellborn and I'm going to be doing my presentation on counseling. So I've always wanted to be a counselor. I've just really wanted to help people out and I figured this was a great way to do it. I can offer them words of comfort and methods to cope with their difficulties and even just give them someone to just vent to and talk and someone that they can trust and go to for help. Alrighty, so the education required for this, I'm going to need at least a master's degree. You can go higher, but I think I'm probably just going to go for a master's degree. I'm going to get it in counseling. I haven't decided what school to go to yet, but that's my plan eventually. So this relates to my 4-year plan. So I'm a senior now, so I only really have a 1-year plan. But all of my school career has been to be a counselor, go to get my degree in psychology, and then go to graduate school and get my counseling degree. Alrighty, so why I chose psychology? Psychology has always really intrigued me. I've always wanted to help people, and this is just the perfect way to do that. I think this will be a great bachelor's degree because 1, it's very versatile, and 2, I can pursue my counseling degree with it. And if I don't end up going the counseling degree route, I mean, this psychology has got a great base. It opens up hundreds of other possibilities, and it's also just great for getting a job straight out of college. Alrighty, and so the book in chapter 13 said some similar things to that. It said the interest in psychology, the good undergraduate degree to prepare me, and it'll prepare me for a job. And so yeah, that's my career plan. Thanks so much.